today I'm going to be doing outfits Monday through Sunday here on my channel. This hopefully will serve some inspo for you guys, as most of the world is starting to open back up again. You're actually able to wear your cute outfits places. Anything I say in this video, I just have to disclaimer this. I am not going anywhere. I am staying at home as per Ontario's lockdown, even though it's disappointing. I feel very lucky that I'm able to create most of my work from home and that I can still deliver this stuff to you guys. I know there's a lot of you who are actually able to go out, so every time I have like a theoretical event where I'm leaving the house, just know that I'm not actually leaving the house. We're at home over here. Hope you guys are enjoying your springtime and are staying safe, so let's just get to the outfits. Don't mind my dog, you may hear him pitter-pattering around, but this is Monday's outfit. Monday's either the day I want to get my shit together or I wear something really casual. I decided to do a little bit of both, but here I have this leather shacket. It's faux leather, so it's actually not as warm, which is good for this type of springtime. So I just did a bunch of green accents here with the little tie-dye top here, the shoes, as well as the Coach bag. You guys know I really like this purse. Like, I'm not even kidding about it. I just love this. I think it's the best. I have cute shoes on right now, but obviously you can swap this for sneakers as well. That's it. This is probably my favorite outfit of the bunch. This is Tuesday's outfit. Tuesday's normally when we shoot Instagram content for some reason. I find that I'm always like kind of inspired right after the weekend. And guys, I got a Revolve package and this is probably my favorite thing in it. It is this top. It actually, like, you can do it definitely lower for this like type of coverage, which is also very cute, but I feel like for the denim I'm wearing, it made more sense in the Instagram to just like crop it. I'm not one for puffy sleeves, guys, but this hits different. I'm just wearing it with simple sneakers. These are my favorite denim from Princess Polly. They're a really good A Goldie dupe for those like really expensive crossover jeans. And I also have a tutorial on how to do these yourself with a pair of thrifted oversized denim. So you can also do that. There's so many options. And this, like, I don't know, I'm liking the puff this year and I never do. So that's very different for me. Wednesday is notoriously known as hump day because you can't wait for the week to be over or you're looking forward to the weekend. Oh my god. To be honest, in Ontario, all the days are kind of looking like one, so I'm trying to be a little bit more structured here in terms of my outfits, so that way every day feels kind of like a different day. I decided to theorize this day as the day that we pick up our mail and we have to run errands, and this is what I would wear for that because A, it's very cute to take an Instagram photo, but at the same time with warm weather, I feel like my legs don't get as cold as my upper half normally. Sweater from Song of Style is so bomb. And the bag's thrifted. The skirt is actually from the Vintage Twin. I got this in New York a few years ago. And boots are Anne de Millimeter. Also, sunglasses are Princess Polly. I feel like one of those TikToks, you know, when all the girls are sharing their outfits, this is like very much one of them. Thursday's vibe. I figured by Thursday you're pretty like burnt out, at least I always am. The last thing I want to do is really try to put together a super cute outfit. However, if I had to, this is what I would wear. One thing that I kind of forgot about spring transitional dressing and spring dressing in general is that it's probably the last time a few of your fall winter pieces are going to see the light of day till the next colder seasons. So I wanted to bring out these boots. These are Stuart Weitzman and they're thrifted and definitely more a fall winter piece, but I feel like work really well with this look. The jeans are Girlfriend denim and they're split flare, which if you guys follow me on Instagram, I'm all about the split flare. They're like my favorite type of cut of denim and these are my favorites lately. And then this top is thrifted, but I think that it's like super cute, and someone was joking that it's the perfect outfit to get vaccinated in because of the holes here and you can just easily like plop these down and stuff. So should this be my vaccination appointment outfit? This is like Meredith Blake vibes, but like streetwear cool almost. I decided to layer this on top. This is just a silk aritzia blouse, but you can like easily thrift one of these. But the star of this show is definitely this dress. I have not worn a dress at all this year pretty much, and I love this. This is by Song of Style. It's super flattering in the middle here. You can thrift this so easily at the thrift store too. Like, it can be like super affordable. I love juxtaposing it with a pair of like sporty sneakers. Like, I think this is such a cool girl moment. This is definitely something I'd be wearing on like a Friday, just because Friday is like the day, like casual Fridays, you want to be dressy on that day because the weekend's coming. I think this is really fun and easy. This is a Saturday outfit for sure. Dylan and I, we literally love taking long walks on the beach. And this is just so easy for the springtime because obviously you're not going to be in a bathing suit. Denim is thrifted, top is aritzia, button up is aritzia, bag is thrifted, and then these are my Gucci loafers that I literally never wear. I got them for like 50 bucks at the Toronto Vintage Show a few years ago too. And then these sunglasses are such a gem. These are by Desi. But I love outfits like this because they're so easy to layer. You can do this type of like uniform dressing with like a different colored tank top or a different colored shirt. It's also super easily thriftable, and I feel like everyone has kind of similar staples like this in their closet, so it's just really easy to recreate. This is like fancy Sunday for me. Clearly I'm not going anywhere right now, but if I were, I'd be wearing some sort of iteration of jeans and a crew neck. It's super easy. And one way I love to dress up crew necks and just t-shirts and all that in general is layering jewelry. It just makes me feel so much more dressed up. I am wearing my vintage Gucci loafers again, these thrifted denim, as well as this like legit Harvard crew neck I actually got on Harvard campus. Totally a great spring transitioning outfit if you're somewhere colder like me. Alright guys, let me know which outfit was your favorite, and definitely follow on Instagram because we're working really hard on reels over here. Bye everyone.